I grew up treasuring nature. If I went to the woods, fishing, or exploring the mountains, the tranquility was unmatched. Some experiences even felt ethereal, as if I could feel Mother Nature herself, living and breathing, nurturing me with everything I needed while I stepped on its rich, sacred grounds. Last year, I bought a cabin in the mountains. It was my dream to escape the noise of the city during winter, a place where I could disconnect completely. This cabin felt like magic. When I finally got the keys, I was ecstatic. The timing couldn't have been more perfect. My head was